Hello and welcome to Explore with Avi. Let's see what are the reasons behind failing of world's largest edtech company Byju's. Before moving ahead, please subscribe my channel. According to a report, Byju's spent $55 million on BCCI sponsorship, $15 million on ICC sponsorship, $40 million on FIFA sponsorship. Apart from this, they made Lionel Messi as their global brand ambassador. After burning too much money in marketing, Byju's doesn't get desired result. It increased the customer acquisition cost only. As an education tech company, the most important thing is to deliver best quality education. But Byju's also involved themselves in product selling. They focused on selling hardware devices such as tablets and laptops to students and parents. This type of business tactics is done by almost every education firm, which is considered as unethical. During COVID-19, Byju's see great increase in the number of students due to shutting down of offline coachings. During COVID, revenue of Byju's increased significantly, but it doesn't last long. After the pandemic, offline coaching reopens and Byju's number decline rapidly. It became difficult for Byju's to maintain that workforce with decrement in revenue. According to a report, Byju's spent more than $2 billion on acquisition of different education firms. Some major buys of Byju's in 2021 are Akash Institute for $1 billion, Epic for $500 million, Topper $150 million, Great Learning $600 million. This firm doesn't add too much value to Byju's. Trust is the essence of leadership. Because of financial irregularities and unethical accounting practices, Byju's lost the trust of its auditor and board members. In June 2023, Deloitte, one of the top auditing firms in the world, resigned as Byju's auditor. Around the same time, 3 board members representing Prosus, Sequoia and Chan Zuckerberg Initiative also stepped down from Byju's board of Think and Learn Private Limited. It's signaling a loss of confidence in the company's leadership and direction. Apart from this, working environment is also not too good as mentioned by some of its workers. Byju's is still struggling. See whether it will swim again or sink. Thanks for watching.